In this video, let's quickly learn how to track your transactions on PayPal. Whether you received or paid through PayPal, you can have a list of all of those details within the PayPal platform. So once you're inside of PayPal.com, or if you're using the mobile app, you'll need to head over to the activity section. Click on the activity tab. In this section, you'll be able to see all of the transactions that have been made on your account. Whether you received or made payment through this account, you'll be able to see all of those transactions. Apart from that, what you can also do is sort out this list by clicking on this icon. You can sort out from the date. If you want to look at the transactions for this month, you can do that. You can select the transaction types such as payments, payment receipts, refunds, transfers, and reported transactions. You can also select the status and have a detailed view of all of your transactions. Click on apply filters and you can see these particular filters now being applied. Because this is a new account, I currently do not have any transactions. But if you do, and if you make a lot of transactions, you can see all of your activity inside of this section. So that's the proper way of tracking transactions inside of PayPal. If this guide video helped you out, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up.